Hello guys, it's Godswill from Kodri once again, and in this video we are going to be talking about global variables. Now global variables in Python are variables that you can use anywhere in your code. So to declare a variable you have to declare it outside of a function, and then you can use the variable in any place of the function as the case may be. So for example, you can see that in line 1 we declare the variable called global variable, and then you can see that it is being used in any of the lines here as the case may be. And also, let's run this code to see how it works. And then when you hit the run button, you can see that it will print in line 5, it will print out the COVID-19 app plus the global variable, which is Kodri tutorials. And so you can use it in any line of code. And also, you have to know about local variables. So local variables are variables that you can use only within your function or within your code. It is only peculiar used to a block of code, and it cannot be used outside of that code. So for example, the example of a local variable here is our name in line 7. And so whatever you impute here will be only used in the function COVID app. So that's the difference between a global variable and a local variable. So let's run this code to see, and then you can see that the variable has printed out hello, which is line 8. It has printed out a string text with the local variable name, and it has sent a welcome note. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that a global variable is a variable that can be used in any of the functions, and to declare a global variable you declare it outside of a function, and then you can use it in as many functions as you choose. And a local variable is a variable that you cannot use outside of a function. It's only peculiar to this function, to the function that it is being defining. You can only use it within the defined function. So guys, thanks for watching. In the next tutorial I'm going to be finally explaining about this Python software which I built. I call it the COVID app, the COVID biodata app. And so I'm going to be showing you how you can also build an application, a software like this, and then you can run it and it will run on your Python machine. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.